फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।
Well, hello and a very warm welcome to all our viewers who are watching the Cricket Next YouTube channel. IPL 2024 is almost over. सिर्फ दो मैच रह गए हैं, क्वालिफायर 2 एंड द IPL 2024 फाइनल. लेकिन अगर हम देखें IPL 2024 को एज अ होल, so there's one thing that can be said without any doubt, without any objection, and that is that this has been a batters IPL out and out. The way the batters have performed in this IPL, it clearly shows that this IPL season belongs to all the batters. The kind of runs that have been scored, the kind of boundaries that have been scored, and high scores, high chases. Not only high scores, but the chases have also been so damn high in this season that we can easily say कि ये season अगर किसी को belong करता है तो वो उन batters को करता है, क्योंकि ऐसी power hitting, ऐसी brutal hitting, ऐसा strike rate, ऐसा run rate, this is something that we have not seen before in the history of the Indian Premier League. So this season totally belongs to the batters. So we are here. Cricket Next is here to give you top 5 IPL 2024 batters according to Cricket Next. Obviously, this is a very subjective thing. You can have your own top 5 batters, and that's actually a very interesting point. Comment section में अपने top 5 batters लिखिए जो आपको लगता है यार ये 5 batters है ना, ये season उनका रहा है. The kind of consistency they have shown, which is the most important thing, then the kind of hitting that they have shown, the number of matches they have won for their team. So बहुत सारे parameters हैं जिस पे आप judge कर सकते हैं. But we are here to give you top 5 batters for this season from our side, and please do write in the comment section down below if you agree or not. We'll start with the batter on the number 1 position, and I think it's pretty clear that it's King Kohli, it's Virat Kohli, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. 15 matches, 741 runs, strike rate of 154. He holds the orange cap currently, and more or less he'll take the orange cap home because there's a lot of difference between him and the next contender, that is Riyan Parag, because second number पे Gaikwad is well and truly out of the tournament just like Virat Kohli. तो वो तो अपनी टैली आगे नहीं बढ़ा पाएंगे, पर उनके बाद रियान पराग है, उनमें भी 200 ऑड रन का गैप है अभी. ही Parag has also had a very good season. We'll come to him. But Virat Kohli, this season totally belongs to Virat Kohli. He has kind of revamped himself. A new look Virat Kohli 2.0 has been brought up in this season, because हमने देखा Virat Kohli in the previous seasons as well. He has scored runs with a good pace. But in this season, वो जो मिडल ओवर्स का फेज है ना, वो जो स्पिन बॉलिंग जो हम हमेशा कहते हैं यार विराट कोहली स्पिन बॉलिंग नहीं खेल सकते, he has tackled that very very well. वो स्लॉग स्वीप, ही ब्रॉट इट आउट ऑफ नोवेयर. उनके पिटारे में स्लॉग स्वीप था जो बहुत सालों से नहीं खेला था, इस सीजन में वो भी देखने को मिला. द काइंड ऑफ शॉट्स ही प्लेड especially against the spinners in the middle overs, and 15 matches, 741 runs, has to be in the top 5 for sure. Then we'll talk about the next batter, and that is Ruturaj Gaikwad. A good season with the bat. Obviously couldn't take his team as a captain to the playoffs, but with the bat 14 matches में अगर आप 583 रन मारते हैं, strike rate of 141, I think it's a pretty good score. It's a pretty good strike rate to play with. He's a youngster, he's a great talent. फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट, फ्यूचर ऑफ चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स. अगर MS धोनी आपको खुद अपने हाथों से अपनी कैप्टनसी की पोजीशन दे और कहे यू लीड द साइड इन फ्यूचर नाउ एंड आई प्ले अंडर यू इन दिस सीजन, इट मींस दैट देयर इज समथिंग in this player that MS Dhoni and the CSK management has seen, and he's been showing the promise with the bat for quite some time now in the last few seasons as well. He has played for India also in the T20 formats. He has done extremely well, and in this season also 14 matches, 583 runs, 141 strike rate. He has been really, really good. Unfortunately, couldn't take, as I said, translate the form into the team's performance. But yeah, he'll take a lot of confidence from this season. The next batter is, as I said, the number 3 on the orange cap list, रियान पराग. नो दिस इज अ वेरी क्यूरियस केस, क्योंकि इतने साल रियान पराग राजस्थान के साथ रहे हैं, काफी साल बैक टू बैक नहीं चले, और हर सीजन के बाद एक सवाल उठता था कि व्हाई इज राजस्थान रॉयल्स बैकिंग रियान पराग, ऐसा क्या है. फेजेस में ग्लिम्पसेस आपको देखने को मिलते हैं अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस के इतने साल, पर वो कंसिस्टेंसी शो नहीं करते. वेल, दिस इज द सीजन वेर ही decided to answer all his critics. 15 matches, 567 runs with a strike rate of 151. He has you can sort of say he has well and truly arrived. अगर 15 मैच में 561 रन बना दिए over a strike rate of 150 with that pace, with those shot selection and those timings, I think he has impressed many people out there, especially his critics in this season. And he has had a season to remember. And we'll move on to the last two players, and these two belong to the same team, both openers. And I'm pretty sure you must have guessed who I am talking about. We'll start with the Aussie first. Travis said this guy has been a nightmare for all the Indian fans for the last few months. World Test Championship final, World Cup final. I think this guy loves playing against India in India when you see IPL now, because 13 matches, 533 runs at a strike rate of 199. Him and the batter who's coming next, and I'm pretty sure I know you know who's coming next. These two batters only dealt in boundaries this season. उनको single double से मतलब नहीं था, and that's the kind of impact you should have in a T20 game. It's not just a numbers game के इतने run मार दिए तो you were the highlight of the season. आपके runs ने team को help कितना किया है, that also matters. And these runs, these 533 runs in 13 matches, 2 matches इनके हैं, वो 199 के स्ट्राइक रेट जो मारे हैं, उन्होंने हैदराबाद को काफी हेल्प किया है यहाँ तक पहुंचने में. एंड ही हैज सॉर्ट ऑफ change the course of how you play T20I cricket, or T20 cricket for that matter, and he has really shown the potential he has and how exactly T20 cricket should be played. And along with him, I'd like to bring in our last batter for this season, and these two come in pair, these two hunt in pair. Abhishek Sharma, youngster, an Indian youngster, 14 matches, 470 runs at a strike rate of 207, head से भी ज़्यादा strike rate, and I'm pretty sure there will be rarely any singles or doubles Abhishek ने जिस season लिए हो. He also dealt only in boundaries, only in sixes, scoring 30-35 plus sixes this season, breaking Virat Kohli's 2016 most sixes record. This guy has immense potential, and he has shown in this season that he is the future, especially in T20I cricket for India. That fearless approach, really taught well, kind of mentored well by Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh has often publicly come out, supported him. He talks about UVPA, like how UVPA helped him shape up his career, and a great potential for India going forward. And he has shown what he can do with the bat. Those carnage that he wreaks, the havoc that he wreaks on the opponents with the bat in hand, is something that you will remember for years to come. Him and Travis Head, these two players have really given nightmares to the bowlers this season. Well, these were the top 5 for Cricket Next this season. Virat Kohli, Ruturaj Gaikwad, Riyan Parag, and the deadly opening combo of Sunrisers Hyderabad, Travis Head and Abhishek Sharma. Who are your top 5 batters from this season? नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन है, वहां पे जाके लिखिए, अपने टॉप 5 बताइए. सब लोग डिस्कशन होगी, आपको औरों के ओपिनियन देखने को मिलेंगे, तो जरूर थोड़ा शर्माइए मत, जाइए नीचे लिखिए टॉप 5 बैटर्स अपने, and then we'll talk about the bowlers soon. But for now, these are the top 5 batters for this season. So do subscribe to the Cricket Next YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow us across all our social media platforms. Until then, enjoy whatever's left of the IPL, because the next goal is now the T20 World Cup, which will be played in the month of June in the United States of America and West Indies. So do tune in to Cricket Next to get all the updates IPL के बारे में, World Cup के बारे में, anything and everything related to world cricket. You'll find those updates on Cricket Next. You'll find discussions, some great fun videos on the Cricket Next YouTube channel. तो आपको सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल की घंटी बजानी है, और सारी वीडियोस को एंजॉय करना है. Until then, please take care of yourself and have a good day.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट.